What's up, guys? How are you? Brian Heilig here, and wanted to just talk about what happened today. The Feds raised the rates quarter point, so there's some things to do about it. Now, ironically, I think it was just even last week, I was talking about the fact that this is going to happen and some things to do about it, but we're going to kind of talk about some of those same things, but also add in a few more things and just chat. So hope you're all doing well. If you're jumping on, just say hi, that'd be great. And if you're watching the replay, let me know. So I have my notes here, I don't want to forget anything. But so here's the thing, a couple things that you can do right now, right, to maximize your money. And also know that they're estimating 2 more increases this year. So certain things you can do now so that you can be in a better position. Always want to make sure that you're maximizing your situation. So, number one, if you have student loans, right? If you have student loans, not all of them, not most of them, but some of them actually have an adjustable rate. So you want to really just check over everything. Take a look at all your student loans and just see which ones are adjustable. If they're adjustable, see if there's some way that you can refinance them into a fixed rate, all right? So that'll definitely help you, because as interest rates rise, so do your loans, right? The interest on your loans. That's not good if they're adjustable, all right? So that's a thing. If you know anybody that has student loans, tag them in this or forward it or do whatever. If you have student loans and have any questions, always reach out to me, all right? Number 2, mortgages. I've been talking about this as well. If you have an adjustable rate mortgage right now, hi Brian, you and your wife, and hi Joanne. If you have an adjustable rate mortgage, you may want to get with your mortgage professional and just see what you can do as far as maybe getting something fixed. I always recommend Chris Barnes. I'll put his name in the comments. I've known him for 3 decades, and he's just an amazing, amazing man, a very upstanding, solid guy. He's been doing mortgages forever, it seems like. So, I definitely, if you don't have a mortgage person or you want a second opinion, definitely reach out to Chris. He'll do you right, all right? Let's see, the next thing is, which is going to be interesting, the savings, right? So the money in your savings account, those interest rates should be going up, right? Because that's what happens. So you want to maybe take this time, if you have like an emergency fund or something like that where you're just holding some cash, you want to look at and shop around for different rates, all right? So the highest rates, I don't know, this is going to be affecting, we'll see how it goes, but maybe you can look at some online resources. I can put some in the comments that I know of, but you just want to kind of shop around and look. This might be a great time to transfer some savings into a new account that gives you the highest interest rate possible, all right? So you can kind of maximize there on your money that's just sitting in cash, all right? The next thing you want to do is, if your credit score, hey Joanne, okay, all I'm trying to say is that you and take your time, Joanne, I'm here. You're awesome. If your credit score needs to improve, all right, this would be the time to really start to do the things necessary to make that improve and go up, because the better your credit score, the less interest you're going to be paying on your credit cards and auto loans and things like that, right? So now definitely is the time. Thank you, Joanne. I got it. Diane and I are amazing. Love you. Thank you so much. I got that message and I appreciate it so much. So, auto loans, credit cards, any type of loan that you're going to get, the higher your credit score, the less interest you're going to pay. So the less, the less money you're going to pay out, in quotes. So your money that you're, what am I trying to say? The money that you're using for credit, right, will be less long term, all right? So that definitely is something you want to do. If you need help raising your credit score, reach out to me for sure, or join my financial group called Your Virtual Advisors, and we talk about a whole bunch of stuff in that group, and definitely we're going to be talking about raising credit scores, all right? Now, once your credit score is on the move and it's going up and you're not planning on purchasing a home or doing anything like refinancing your home or things like that, now you want to look at your credit card. cards, right? If you have any type of credit card balances and your credit is pretty good, right? Or maybe you take the next month or two to really get that, changed and move it up. Now what you might want to do, as long as you're not going to be purchasing a home, is look for possibly an interest-free credit card, for a certain period of time, like an introductory rate, maybe for a year. And then what you want to do is aggressively pay down that debt, because the credit card interest that you're going to be paying is also going to go up in direct reflection to the Fed's increase of the rates, okay? So this is the time to aggressively pay down your debt, transfer some of your, money, your emergency fund, your cash on hand into a higher interest-bearing account. Make sure that your adjustable rate loans are locked in and fixed as much as possible. And again, any questions you have around any of it, always feel free to reach out to me. I personally check every single message and reply. If you're not in my financial group, definitely you want to be there, called Your Virtual Advisors. And definitely think about, hey, anybody that's coming to mind right now that is a student or has a mortgage or is all about saving cash, or that needs to increase their credit score, or wants to learn about how to finagle the credit card system, tag them, forward this, share it, all that good stuff, and I will be here to help every one of your peeps. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you're having a great time. We are about to start in 7 minutes the Ask Anything Wealth Wednesday inside my Facebook group called Your Virtual Advisors. So it's an open forum, a safe environment, no judgment. So if you'd like, we're going to be on at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That's about now 6-7 minutes from now. And we're going to be going over whatever you guys want to talk about. All right, so that's it, guys. Love you. Share this. Talk soon. Bye.